Guys, if AI content is getting demonetized on YouTube, does that mean you can't earn from other platforms too? Who said that? Today, I'm going to show you a platform where people are still making money with AI content. Maybe not millions overnight, but yes, creators are definitely earning from it. And the videos you're currently seeing on the screen belong to the exact same channel that I'm about to show you, and this type of content is 100% monetizable on that platform. First of all, guys, every tool I'm going to use in today's video is completely free, so don't skip any part of this video. Now let's move to TikTok, because the channel I'm talking about is called The Bob Dealer. Yes, guys, TikTok is still monetizing AI-generated content, especially these 2D animation-style videos. The RPM might be lower compared to traditional content, but the important thing is, it is still monetizable. Now let's talk about this channel. Crazy thing is that their videos are getting huge views even though they've uploaded only a few videos. Their followers are around 90.4K, and they already have more than 227K likes. The concept is simple but extremely engaging. The channel revolves around a character named Bob Dealer. Every single video tells a new funny story about Bob, his friends, his wife, or random situations happening in his life. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the process. Prompt is already fully prepared. Inside this master prompt, everything is included: art style rules, character consistency rules, base character details, multiple recurring characters, story generation rules, cinematic image prompt rules, detailed background descriptions, video prompt rules, camera motion, character animations, environment animations, cinematic style instructions, lighting rules, editing style rules, subtitle rules, sound design rules, and even voiceover rules. All you have to do is copy the prompt from the link in the description, open ChatGPT, paste the prompt, and click Generate. Once you do that, ChatGPT will automatically generate a story title, character descriptions, 10 cinematic image prompts, 10 cinematic video prompts, and even a full voiceover script for your animation video. Now let's move to the image generation process. For image generation, the free tool we are using today is Leonardo AI. Yes, guys, Leonardo AI is completely free to start. Simply log in using your Gmail account, and you will instantly receive 150 free credits. Select the image model called ChatGPT Image 2. After that, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio because we are creating TikTok and Shorts content. Next, upload a character reference image. You can simply go back to the TikTok channel, take a screenshot of the character, and use it as a reference image. I always recommend doing this because it helps maintain a consistent character style throughout all scenes of your animation. After everything is ready, go back to ChatGPT and copy the character prompts. Paste those prompts into Leonardo AI, and copy the main image prompt and paste it there as well. Finally, click Generate, and just like that, your images will start generating in a beautiful, consistent style. Guys, for every scene, you will repeat the exact same process. No complicated steps. Simply generate the images one by one. As you can see on my screen, I've already generated all the scenes, and the consistency looks amazing. The characters remain visually identical across every image, exactly like the original TikTok channel style. One more important thing, the ChatGPT Image 2 model works very similarly to Nano Banana. We've tested both heavily, and both provide extremely consistent cinematic cartoon results. And right now, Leonardo AI only consumes around 8 credits per image generation, which is honestly amazing for a free tool. Since Leonardo AI gives you 150 credits daily, you can easily generate around 20 to 25 high-quality images every single day for free. Another huge advantage is speed. Leonardo AI is incredibly fast. If you want to start working seriously, this tool can generate images for you within seconds. As you can see on the screen, we generated beautiful cinematic cartoon scenes one by one using this exact process. Now guys, for video generation, the tool we are going to use is honestly one of the best free AI tools available right now, and the name of this tool is DGEN AI. As you can already see on the screen, I have generated multiple videos here using this exact workflow. The process is extremely fast and very simple. I'm going to show you exactly how you can generate unlimited videos from this platform. And the best part is that you do not even need credits for the model we are using. The credits you see on the top are for premium models only, but the model I'm showing you today is completely free. In fact, you can even generate voiceovers using this tool as well. All you need to do is upload your image, paste your prompt, and then select the RM 3.1 Turbo model, which is the free model. One important thing, make sure you log in first, because that is required to use the platform properly. DGEN AI is honestly one of the best all-in-one free AI tools available right now. I've mentioned this tool many times before in previous videos, but for the people who are new here, you can clearly see how simple and beginner-friendly the workflow is. And guys, the craziest thing is that this tool only takes around 1 to 2 minutes to generate a professional animated video. You can even generate 2 videos at the same time, which means within 2 to 3 minutes you can have 2 professional 5-second videos completely ready, and yes, 100% free. As you can see on the screen, our workflow has already started, and within moments our videos are getting generated. In the same way, we generated all the remaining clips as well. Now let's quickly look at the results and see how beautifully the AI generated these animations for us. The first video you are seeing on the screen shows our main character Bob standing at the construction site while talking to his workers. The animation looks very cinematic and professional. And the next video shows the machine crashing into a house accidentally, causing destruction everywhere. Then the boss of the house appears and realizes that the house has been destroyed, creating a huge problem. After that, Bob becomes extremely stressed because now the situation has gone completely out of control. Then comes the chaos scene where everybody starts running as destruction spreads everywhere. As you can see, the AI generated all these scenes beautifully while maintaining a consistent style throughout the video. And finally, our last scene has also been generated. There are a few small errors in some frames, but honestly, considering that these are completely free AI-generated videos, you will again go back to ChatGPT and simply type, "Please give me a voiceover in line." After that, ask ChatGPT to remove all the character names from the dialogue so the script becomes cleaner and easier for text-to-speech generation. Once your voiceover script is ready, go to a free AI text-to-speech tool called TTS Maker. This is a completely free AI voice generator. Simply log in, go to the home page, paste your script, select the voice model you want, and click Generate. After the generation is complete, go to the History section, and there you will see your voiceover ready. Simply download the voiceover file and move to the final editing step. Now comes the final stage, editing. For editing, you simply need to open CapCut. I'm explaining this in a simple way because I've already covered detailed editing tutorials in previous videos. Just import all your generated videos into the timeline, place the voiceover according to the scenes, and adjust the clips properly. The good thing is that most sound effects are already included inside the generated videos, so you do not need to add many extra sound effects manually. After that, export the final video in 4K quality. Once the export is complete, your final professional AI animation video will be fully ready. And here is the final result, guys. You can clearly see how we created cinematic AI animations completely free using only free AI tools. Even if YouTube is demonetizing some AI content, that does not mean the opportunity is over. Platforms like TikTok are still allowing creators to monetize this type of content and earn from it, just like I explained at the beginning of the video. So guys, I'll see you in the next video.